do you reckon? Wing risers? Wing risers. Right, good morning everybody. I've got a bit of a sore throat. Oh, what actually? Start with an intro. Hello, welcome to the video. So I've got a bit of a sore throat. So I'm sucking on a soother at the moment. So if I clear my throat quite a few times throughout this video, I apologise. It is the last Porsche Club GB event of the year, a Christmas event held at Bicester Heritage. So all the Porsches are going to be there. So we're going to head down and go have a look. It is -5 degrees outside at the moment. I'm running Michelin Cup 2 tyres. So these little bad boys are going to have to try and cope with 5-degree weather outside. So I've never driven, this is my first winter with the GT4. I've never driven in this type of weather. So it's going to be very interesting. Let's see how this goes. I'm going to be driving like a granny, 6th gear everywhere. Keeping the torque and the power really low because I do not want to spin in this bad boy. As you can see there, 4.5 degrees here in the car park. It takes a good 20 minutes of driving to even get this car warm, so I definitely will not be hooning on the way there. Oh, look how good Noah's car looks. No plate always looks so much better. Look what we're having to deal with here. -2.5 degrees. Ooh, but look how pretty it looks outside. Come on, focus. Look at that. We have arrived. Look at this. Hello. Look, this is Porsche heaven. I've never been here before, but this is the whole Cayman crew. I think we've got 911 crew over there. There's a Cayenne Macan crew over here. It's just absolutely Porsche heaven. So should be a good day. So Nor's just pointing this out. If the owner of this car ever watches this video, this is all gloss black. Look at this. This is interesting. So I don't think it's a factory option because I've never seen it on the configurator. But look at that, clean. Shark blue with the Aurum wheels. Spider. Spider was kind of my first choice, but they were just so much more expensive on Auto Trader over GT4s, and so I ended up going with the wing. Look at this, green PTS. Lovely. So I've seen this silver GT4 on the motorway before actually, and he's got the wing risers, so we can compare the two cars next to each other. Is this a good idea? Wing risers or to not wing rise? You can go side by side here and see the difference. What are you guys talking about? What do you reckon? Wing risers? In pictures I was never really a fan, but actually seeing it in person, it's not too bad. Is it a bit too obnoxious maybe? Turning up to meetings at work? No, that's a better angle. Wing risers or not to wing rise? Let me know in the comments. Hello boy. Whole place here is like Porsche spec ideas. I think this is signal yellow, looks absolutely gorgeous in real life, but I have a massive soft spot for this over here. This is maritime blue. I absolutely love it. I've always been kind of playing and toying with the idea of wrapping the GT4, and if I would, I think I'd want maritime blue. I absolutely love this color. It looks so good. It's kind of got that blue and that purple hue to it. It's lovely. But this is heaven. Okay, and one more color that I'm absolutely obsessed with. If you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I love Ruby Star. In person, it looks so good. I personally don't think it looks that good on a Cayman though. I think because on a GT3 or just an i11, there's so much kind of car that it nicely spreads it out. But on a Cayman, I don't know. It didn't really look that good, I think, on this is JWW's 4RS, and that's kind of why he liquid wrapped it. But it's very nice. Properly used turbo.
The number plate
Ruby Star.
When you can see the number plate, you can't even see it. It's absolutely. RU71 STI Ruby Star.
Yeah, just about.
Someone's also wrote on the back dirty dick. Legend.
Left-hand drive.
Look at this for a spec.
Oh, the arm.
Fjord Green. I'm probably butchering that name with. Very interesting coloured wheels.
Cool seats.
Yeah, man, it's a Manuel.
Brown tan interior with
You've gone all out.
the grey steering wheel.
What is this? Is this Ford?
Look at that.
Ford.
How unique. I like that. That's very different. Very cool. Be Saturn PPF.
Yes, it is definitely.
One GT2. And another one over here. Small world.
I like that a lot.
In, out.
This is the new presenter to our channel.
Zoom out.
Right, so Charlie over here has been trying to get me to put stripes on my car for a very long time.
This guy's got taste.
Is this the fake
This guy's got taste. What do we think? Stripes? I don't know. Kind of that RS vibe, but I don't know. It's good to see one in person though, because now we can see if we actually like the stripes on the bonnet or not. What do you guys think?
I like the idea.
Right, what an enjoyable morning. Always good to see all the different Porsches, all the different spec options that you can do. Just a lovely way to spend a Sunday morning. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, the usual. I'll see you later in the next video. Merry Christmas.